Alright, it's been quite a while, but a few heat pumps have gotten replaced. The Rheem got replaced with a newer Rheem in the thermal zone. Sadly got replaced with a Goodman. The Bryant, the Rheem, and the Goodman are what I'm going to film. These ones are not heat pumps. Oh, this one just turned on. Thermal zone's still here though. Oh geez, sounds pretty rough. Ooh, look at how dirty this one's gotten over the past 3 years. Yeah. The Bryant logo fell off some time ago. 22 3-ton. And this one that just turned on, very nice. It's an Endeavor series. This is a new one. It's a year old and it's RP14AY 3.5 ton. It's the same size as my neighbor's heat pump. And then this Goodman that does not sound good at all, but it's probably brand new. It sounds brand new. Has a rotary. Reversing mouse down there. Broad Ocean. 14.5 to 15.2. Okay. They cut back a lot of the stuff in there, so that looks good. GLZS4B 2.5 ton, 2025. And the refrigerant I think is R454B. Look. Yeah. Oh my god. Got myself a 1st degree burn. At least it's doing well. And then this thing. This is not a heat pump, and then this old thermal zone that's just sitting here, unused, uninstalled. Goodman Emerson scroll. That's like a fat one. All its old vines are still attached to it. This is the 2014. And there it is. Unused. It used to be this Goodman replaced this one, and this one is still here. I wanted to catch a defrost of this one, but sadly can't. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.